Today I'm doing a review of these two products. You can see we got Velveeta and then we got Great Value, which is Walmart's brand of essentially the same thing. I use this a lot in like a queso dip, a cheese dip. We use it in different casseroles, and you put Velveeta in something and it's just pretty darn good. Since it is kind of pricey, I thought I'd give this a try. The Walmart brand of, what would you call that? It is a cheese a cheese product. So we're gonna do the comparison and see if this is worth half the money of Velveeta, see if it's similar. So let's go ahead and open these up right now. So the Velveeta is wrapped in a foil-like stuff. It's got printed on, it's nice and shiny. And this one is also nice and shiny, not quite so densely packed, but weight-wise they're both the same. They're both 2 pounds. And this just sits on the shelf at the store, doesn't need to be refrigerated as long as it's not opened, which I think is kind of weird but kind of cool as well, because that way this stuff can just sit on the pantry shelf and we don't have to keep it in the refrigerator until we open it and let all of the germs in. So let's go ahead and open up the Velveeta first. So here's the Velveeta. And like I said, this has been on the pantry shelf. It's not refrigerated, so it is going to kind of affect the texture. And right away, the texture is like a brand new can of Play-Doh. That's what this reminds me of. When you open up a brand new can of Play-Doh, that's exactly what this feels like. Now let's open up the Walmart brand, or shall we say the Great Value. All right, here is the Walmart brand. And right away, to me, this one looks a little bit more orange than this one. They seem like they have the same consistency. I'm gonna smell these and see if there's a difference in how they smell. First, I'm gonna smell the Velveeta. Has a cheese-like smell to it, a good smell. Let's try the Walmart brand. Actually, this one actually smells a little bit like Play-Doh. It has kind of a, I don't even know what you would call it. But if it smells like this, has a flour or a thickener or a filler or something in it. I'm gonna go ahead and break off a piece of the Velveeta and taste it. That tastes pretty darn good. Has a nice sharp cheesy flavor to it. The texture's a little, it's very soft, but then again, I just pulled this off the pantry and it's at room temperature. So it's not cold like it would be in the refrigerator. So now let's try the Walmart brand. I'm gonna pull off a piece of this and taste it. It's pretty good too. I can tell the texture is not as smooth. This is certainly smoother, and this has just a very fine amount of, what would you call that? A coarser texture. Not like gritty, but just the texture is coarser. It has a cheese flavor, but it tastes like there's more salt in this. This tastes just a little bit more salty, like maybe they added salt in this just to make up for the cheese flavor, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice a piece off of each one of these, and I'm gonna melt it down and see how it melts, and we're gonna check for the taste and consistency after it's melted. So first of all, let's get a nice chunk of the Velveeta. And we'll do the same with the Walmart brand. Let's get a nice chunk of that. Actually, the Walmart brand did seem to cut a little easier. So I'm gonna melt these down in the microwave, and we'll see if there's a difference in flavor and see if there's a difference in smoothness and texture. So here we are. I put both of these in the microwave and I melted them down. And right away I could tell that the Walmart brand actually seemed like it melted a little bit faster. And the Velveeta is a thicker. After it's melted, it forms more of a paste, where the Walmart brand is more of a sauce, which I thought was kind of interesting. So I'm gonna do a taste. Let's do the Velveeta first. That's nice. It's very smooth. It reminds me of a grilled cheese sandwich with American cheese. You know how the cheese melts on your grilled cheese sandwich? This is what this reminds me of right away. Very good. Very cheesy. So let's try the Walmart brand. And you can see how the Walmart brand is still rather glossy, where the Velveeta is more paste-like. So let's taste the Walmart brand. Also very good. definitely has maybe a saltier taste. I'm not sure if it's sharper, but it has more flavor to it. This has more of a macaroni and cheese kind of flavor to it. Oh, definitely. When I taste the Walmart brand, it makes me think of macaroni and cheese, where the Velveeta makes me think of a grilled cheese sandwich. The similarities are amazing. I think either one of these used in a recipe, you're gonna have a hard time telling the difference. I'm gonna try the Velveeta one more time. This is just for texture now. Just ever so slightly more smooth than the Walmart brand. Oh. I really, after that last taste, even though I was going for texture, I think this one has just a little bit better flavor to it than the Walmart brand. Not really surprising. Maybe it has more cheese in it. I'm gonna try Walmart one more time. All right, here's my final answer. This is definitely a sharper taste, which is the Velveeta certainly has got a sharper taste to it. Like it has more cheese in it. This, the Walmart brand, even though it's a good flavor and it's a good product, it's not as sharp in the cheese, and it seemed like it makes up for that lack of cheesiness or the lack of sharpness with some other flavorings. One of those being salt. So certainly the Walmart tastes like it has more salt in it than what the Velveeta does. Velveeta, yes, but most people I don't think would ever be able to tell a difference. But as for me, the Velveeta definitely has a better taste than the Walmart brand. Good enough to spend twice as much on the Velveeta as the Walmart? Well, if price is an issue, I'm gonna say go with the Walmart. But if price doesn't matter and you just want a recipe or something that's just gonna taste just a little bit better, I would go with the Velveeta. They're both good and they both have their place, so you make your own decisions. And if you try either one of these, let me know what you think in the comments. And thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review video. See you later, guys. Bye.